Good evening. Welcome to the finale of the 10-week financial literacy workshop. I'm here with Sean Linda. He's back on the scene. Welcome, Sean.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. It was a good run. 10 weeks was exciting. I love the students. I love the energy. I think I learned so much from them, and I think they got a lot out of the program as well.
Yeah, I learned so much from this program. Even after it being at the second time that we're teaching financial literacy to people. What is your takeaway? What is the takeaway you want people to take away from this program, this 10-week workshop?
It's lifestyle and finance. I want them to understand that they can achieve their goals, and they can, as long as they have a solid financial plan. And this program is about doing what you want when you want, and be able and building a plan behind that, while encompassing certain things like credit, learning to live without, your wants versus needs, understanding the role that education plays, attention to detail, about your branding and so forth, and then about no shame in your game, just living life to the fullest.
Right. And one thing you mentioned was the fact that we just giving them the framework. We can't really teach people and push people to do what they don't want to do, right? We just teach and just provide the resources, the learnings.
We plant the seeds, and it's up for them to make that seed grow into a plant, and then grow into a tree, and then blossom flowers at the end.
100%.
We just plant the seeds, and students get that because they come back. The reason why we make it 10 weeks again, because they come back the next week asking more questions. You see the transformation. I mean, it's amazing. That's the greatest joy of this whole program.
Yeah,
it's to see the involvement and the change and the mindset and the thinking. To one student saying now he wants to go to law school, to another student saying now she's starting her own business, and how she thinks of things now and how she leverages things. It's just amazing to see the transformation that happens over a 10-week period.
Yeah, I like the fact that even it's a 10-week program. You can't come for 1 week and expect to just be financially literate. It's a gradual process, and
it's a continue. Even after the 10 weeks, it's a continued growth. It's a continued growth process. It's a continue to see, but it's now you're recognizing opportunities. You're knowing the importance of certain things, and you're able to leverage those things.
Right. This is so we're looking forward to continuing to bring financial literacy to people. Hopefully by May we're doing another one, and just financial literacy to everyone, right?
Stay financially clean, my brother. Fulfill your project. Financial Clean does it again, and we're going to keep it moving forward.
That's right.
And I just want to thank the people that made it possible. You, my brother, thank you. Jeff, Mr. 850, thank you. Jonathan, thank you. And Loom, always behind the scene with all the styles, thank you.